Now I'm gonna play something to rock this thing out. Now back in the early '60s, or whenever this was, when this was made, they didn't use, they didn't have electric bass guitars and stuff like that. So when these cats sung, their voices, they had like tenor, baritone, and they would use falsetto sounds and everything. And their voices and the harmony would really knock the music out, bam, you listen to them voices. And that's a classic. All them cats back in the day can burn. But this song here, this is just one of many of them. And this has a real cool sound. It's by a group called the Capris. I'm gonna put some volume on this. And I just gonna try to follow along with the bass, because there's really not much bass to it. Everything is really based on their sound, their harmony and stuff. So let's get to this. Let's get to this sucker. This is a song by a group called the Capris. It's called the Morse Code of Love. It's kicking.
Did that did it did that did it did it did that did it did that did it did that did it baby come home to me did that did that I said my baby tell that friend asking you to did that man begging her to come back home to me. Oh, I got it the eyes and I crossed the T's and I think with that please honey honey come back home to me. Baby I want your love, baby I need your love, honey honey come back home to me. Got to have your love, can't live without your love, honey honey come back home to me. Oh make mistakes, yes that is true, but the biggest one I made of you, honey honey come back home to me. I thought that you would understand, I'm not a one man, not anymore, so come back home to me. Baby I want your love, honey I need your love, baby baby come back home to me. Got to have your love, can't live without your love, honey honey come back home to me. Did that did it did that did that did that did that baby come home to me. Come back to me, come back to me, come back to me, baby come back to
The Morse Code of Love, baby. All right.